Hi everyone. I'd like to explain if you do not understand clearly well so far how you can work on Google Colab, and if there is a homework problem sets, then you need to solve that problems on Google Colab and download it to your laptop and all the way to submit your homework assignments. All right. So let's say you have a Blackboard, your class Blackboard, and I posted, let's say, some of the ipynb, so Python notebook file on your class Blackboard. Then you can click that and download onto your the laptop. Let's say this is the Blackboard files that you downloaded. The extension here, as you can see, .ipynb. So this is the Colab notebook that you need to practice, and also you have to solve the homework, the problems, and eventually that you need to submit. Okay. So you downloaded this on your laptop, so make it available, and then on your web browser, then you need to open up Colab, Google Colab, which is available on your colab.research.google.com. The open notebook, there is a upload menu on your left, and then you can browse your laptop, and I believe that is here, and that is a lab 0 getting ready your work. And I click this and also click open button. Then you will see the Python notebook. Okay, so this is a Python notebook, so you practice from the top, and then there is a practice 1.2, write your code below, and this is the code and homework assignment problem number 1. And let's assume this is what you need to do. Redo the above practice 1.2, this, and copy that onto this. So I want to copy this, and then I make it here, and I want to see how it works. So make sure that should work on your Google Colab. It says I am John Yoon, and then next statement is with the input Python statements. So what is your favorite color? So if I say black and hit enter, then what is your favorite? And there is another. In this case, simply it takes, when I say black, then it disappears, right? I didn't hold the value that user entered. The exact same one here as above, on the right side of that equal sign. So this input function returns the value that user entered. That value is now held by this, the variable. So if I say black, same one, and then next statement, the final statement says, I want to print this variable. So apparently this variable holds the value that's available on the right hand side, which is black. So when I say, hey, print favorite color, then it returns black. So I assume, oh, this is a correct answer, then you need to come back here to download. As you download here, then you need to download it in .py files. So click on that .py files, and then you see here, this is .py files. Okay, then I want to bring that up here, the folder or any folder that you want to put. So I want to put here same folder. So I have here previously .py, ipynb, and this is the .py is the py. This is the Python file that I downloaded from Google Colab. .pynb file is the file that I downloaded from the Blackboard, which I, the instructor, posted for you to work on. So as a student, I brought this .ipynb onto this Google Blackboard, Google Colab, and I practiced and I solved this problem, and finally I downloaded it in .py files. Now this .py file is, as you can see, it contains everything about this, even image files, right? I do not want them all. So in that case, you need to open up any editor, any Python editor, and then you need to clean it. Therefore, you find all your .python file that you want to submit to the homework Dropbox. Then it should be clearly contains only your answer code, not anything else additionally. So as I recommended, this is not necessary if you can, which I like. So I open up this Python. See here on the bottom, there's a Python. I click that. Okay. So this Python, I'll bring that up here. This Python has the editor, so I'm going to drag and drop onto this so that I have this all the .py files. See, this all the code. This is something about that images, which I don't think it is. So actually, okay. If there is an image, then you have to be very careful because the image file is pretty long. Why this is all image files? Okay, let's see. I want to remove all of this. Of course, I want to delete this, and I don't think I need this all. It's very low. Here, somewhere here. So I want to get this, delete. So I deleted that. Oh, there's a problem on homework 1, right? This is the code. So I want to delete this. Actually, this is a code that we worked on, right? And this is another unnecessary ones. So this all the way down. So I want to all the way down here and delete. So apparently I have only this. This is a good one, right? So I want to save this, and then I want to change this to a new names. Let's say save as, and I can say homework1.py. Okay. Either you can do this if usually there is no image files. If because of that image file, if it is really trickier, then you can simply in this case you have to be very careful because in this case is okay, but Python is indentation sensitive. If there is an indentation, then you have to be very careful. So let's say this is another page. You can copy and paste. You can do this also. Then if any one of these that requires indentation, for example, then you have to preserve that indentation. In that way, you don't mess up. Okay? So you can either you can clean up all from your .py files, or you can simply copy and paste from your Google Colab to your Python and save it. Then you may be able to see, hey, this is PI1. And also, if I were you, then I want to run here one more time and run this, see if this works. And it says black, and then it asks once more, right? The first input statements, only input statements. Next input statements, then that is on assignment to the left side. So I can say black, and finally it prints black. So make sure it works. Make sure you have this program runs as you wish. Then you can save this, and then you can submit this file to your the class Blackboard. All right. I think this is clear to you guys. All right.